Raj? Okay, now your turn, Raj. What is it about her that, what are the qualities
I
that you see
I
in
I
her?
have a bad memory, but
No, that's okay. No,
I
no,
would
I
just
don't
talk
want.
about her. I don't know what
Correct.
I've written. I'll just talk
No, no,
about her.
no. I will tell you what you have written. I'll tell
Yeah.
her what you have written. But I want to know what is it today that you feel. There might be many other qualities na, that you have found out in the
Yeah.
year that you are together.
Um, yes, she's loving. She's caring.
Yeah.
Way more expressive than I thought she was. Uh,
Yeah.
that is one
Even
good.
in the cold in Germany, she's expressive.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
About the
It's
cold,
About the
freezing
also
cold.
very
It's
expressive.
freezing there, na? Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So very expressive. Um, one thing, one thing about her which is really uh, undermined in India is punctuality.
Yeah.
Uh, she is punctual, and
Yes.
this is
Yes.
something that is
She is.
really undermined in India. Um,
Absolutely. I will give that complete, bonus marks for that.
yeah, yeah,
Totally. Yes. Yes.
and so for me also, I'm me being also the same way. I really
Yes.
like
Yes.
someone who is also
That
resonating
is
with me.
that is one of the big points in compatibility because
Yeah,
this
Yes,
can bring out fights
yeah,
big
yes,
time. Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
yes.
But
So
punctuality is a
that
major
is
point. Yeah.
one thing that which I've now discovered over the month.
Correct. Yeah.
Uh, the other thing is regarding how much love and care she would bring in into the relationship, and
Yeah.
how much of understanding of the situation she would show in
Mm.
in multiple at multiple instances that we have
Mm.
been in.
Yeah.
So that is also something that is really important.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes. Great, Aditi. So what he has written about you is you are open to change. Okay, so today it could be seen as stubbornness, like I said,
Yeah, yeah,
but that has worked for you.
yeah,
Like stubbornness, like place and priorities and habits. But you also have a very positive outlook towards a new life,
yeah,
which I think, yeah, is there. A clear, high pitch voice, which is the outcome of being completely, outcome of being reserved, is a question mark is what he had written. Okay, so now the, if you want to decipher that after the session, after this call, I think you you will go into a dialogue with him. What is it that you meant when you said something like this?
yeah,
But I
exactly.
think for me, the way she is and the way she has been, just to add to what you said, Raj, about punctuality, since I have seen her punctuality day in day out. I mean, I couldn't have asked for someone to do my work here, and the moment I said that, and then everything is ready, kind of. And I've got so used to Aditi, being there. It's that tuning in, that okay, I think about something, and that's exactly what she's thinking. So and she comes up with the ideas and the creative ideas, and she knows her stuff very well. And that was the reason I really, that was the only reason probably where I felt that she should not be going out of India from that point of view. But then I said, the world is Google, so
Yeah,
you can sit anywhere and work from anywhere. And that was the only area of my concern personally, is what today I'm sharing with you, that I don't want her to sit at home, because
yeah,
she has amazing creativity in her. She can come up, and the moment you give her, a task, she goes around, to see to it that the task is complete. I mean, she doesn't say no, she doesn't give excuses. That is one of the biggest, you know, positive points that she has in her nature. So I think that is something which is, and the moment her mind stagnates, she will start going into a spiral, is what I know.
yeah,
Because I know her pretty well on those lines.
yeah,
So she needs to be working, she needs to be aware of her own strengths
yeah,
many a times. Now,
yeah.
talking about all positives, what is that one point that either of you, both of you rather, turn by turn, can share it with us. What is it that you found? This is something which I did not know about him, let's say, Aditi, and that is something new that you came to know about Raj. And similarly, what is it that you came to know? Something new, which for all those 2 years that you knew each other after getting married, also once you, till the time you went to Germany, you did not know about each other. So that one surprise element, good or bad, or not bad, but something different. That, oh, he is like this. I was not aware of it, or she is like this. What was that?
I think, as I said, like when we were in the process of getting engaged, the amount of interest that he showed in everything, every detail of the event or the shopping or
Yeah,
everything that
yeah,
was going on, it continued. Like that quality of his, that he will be showing equal interest in everything. So I wasn't aware of it to that extent, that if it is, let's say, if we go for shopping for kitchenware, which I recently realized
yeah.
that even I
That
am
was
not that,
keen or
excited or
knowledgeable.
enthusiastic,
Yeah,
because I just look at what do I require and what can
correct.
I get of best quality in a good, reasonable price for this thing, and then I'm done. But
Right,
he'll go 360 degrees around it, and he'll be so interested, right from, let's say, shopping plans to shopping for kitchenware to shopping for
wow.
anything, or doing anything in that sense, or just being in that moment. Like, he never lets you feel okay, this is a stuff of yours, or let's say if I have to do something and if I'm
Yeah.
asking him to help me with it, or do it together, he wouldn't let me feel that, okay, this is not that interesting, or he's not that into it.
So
So
he will not demoralize you
yeah,
or, yeah,
he'll take
demotivate
equal
you.
interest in that, and he'll be researching on his behalf, and showing all the patience to go through the entire process. In fact,
Yeah.
I am not that patient as much as he is. Like, I could see that
Mm.
before,
Yeah,
when we were meeting and
yeah,
spending time with each other, but now that I know him for such a long time, like, let's say
yes.
7 months, last 7 months, all of this is just, like, I'm being aware of it even on a higher level
Mm.
now. Like, I know
Mm.
it in multiple instances,
You
that
mean
Yeah.
how,
living together?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
After living together.
after living together, like how
After
patient,
living together.
yeah, how
Yeah,
patient he can be, or how
yeah,
helping he can be, or how
yes.
enthusiastic he can be about things.
So
And
basically, he's there for you.
he's there
He's
for me.
there. Yeah, he's
Yeah,
there for you.
that
Sometimes
is,
it happens that, men can be aloof also.
yeah,
Like, okay, abhi shadi ho gayi hai, now like we are married. Okay, fine. Then she, oh yeah, yeah, Raj. I mean, there are so many of, I mean,
yeah,
majority of my marriage issues. She knows
lot
some
of,
of the cases. It's like, okay, शादी हो गई तब तक था पूरा मस्का पॉलिश था. But then after that, okay, once you, it's like once you got the award, then after that, it's okay if I don't get anything else, kind of,
yeah,
and
you,
that's not a nice feeling that the girl has, once she needs to be taken care of, because there is a lot of different mindset that she comes from, leaving everything and coming to you, that way.
yeah, correct.
uh, and how about you, Raj? Anything different, that any surprise elements from Aditi?
She's a good cook.
She's, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. That you didn't know that. You didn't know that she was
Yeah,
a
yeah,
good
because
cook.
I
we didn't
mean,
spend so much time before
yeah,
getting
Right,
married,
right.
so yeah,
we didn't spend a lot of time together
Together.
where we were cooking together.
yeah.
Correct, correct. Oh,
But
that's a very different way of engaging, talking.
Mm.
and
Sometimes, and cooking is therapeutic, is what I feel.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, it's very therapeutic.
now we are spending time together, in the also in the kitchen,
Wow,
and
that's cool.
this
And do
is
you know cooking, Raj? You of course
yeah,
must be. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So is he a good cook, Aditi?
not better than me, but yes,
क्या बात
I
है
can
क्या
live.
बात है she
I
is
can live.
truthful also, huh? She's very
I can.
truthful, तो ऐसे
Yeah,
नहीं. So it's not like that you've fallen in love, so you are
correct.
kind of covering him up.
Yeah.
You're pretty honest also. Good.
Yes,
That
yes,
was one of your qualities that was also
Yes.
spoken about, honesty.
yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay, great. Okay, so moving forward, what do you see? I mean, next year, maybe, like 2022. I mean, I'm not even putting a, you know, uh, mention of the lockdowns and stuff like that. I do not want to speak about that because every single person is talking about that. But
Yeah.
I am talking about how do you look at yourself in the future, like next 1 year or 2 years. What is it? So Aditi, are you planning to do something, or are you kind of planning to work there, or learn? As I know that you have been learning a German language.
Yeah.
So are you have you kind of comfortably mentally, psychologically, morally, ethically actually settled there in Germany?
So I just want to add from my
Yeah.
side, since we are talking about the whole marriage thing, that once you get married, it is a whole journey of change, because you
Absolutely.
move from one home to another, you move from one family to another, and in my case, I've also moved from one country to another. So
Yes.
unless and until you start looking at things in a way that how can they benefit you or
Mm,
work for your own good, it won't be easy for you.
mm,
Me,
yeah.
since after the session that we had, when you asked me to look at the positive sides of it, the benefits that I'm getting, or something which I didn't even ask for and I'm getting it, why not go for it? So since
Yeah.
then, I made it a point that when I enter his house or his life, I
Yes.
look at things in a way that how will they benefit me, or how
Mm,
is it good for me in
mm,
some sense. I can just
yeah.
look at it as a difference, like as something which is not familiar to me. Let's say
Mm,
I wasn't doing this in this way in my house
correct.
or
Yeah.
in my family or in my life.
Exactly. Yeah.
And now this is something different that I have to adapt to.
Mm,
But then I immediately tell myself that, okay, is it saving you some effort? Is it making things easier for you?
mm,
Or is it something that you can try and be a better version of yourself or progress
correct.
in life when it is about learning a language or living in
Mm,
a city or daily household chores that you're doing? So
yeah.
unless and until you have that mindset of positive, like looking at it in a positive way, this transition can never be smooth or
Correct.
never be,
Correct.
a happy transition. Yes, there are days when you get irritated or frustrated
Absolutely.
because
Yeah.
you just don't like that change, or you just don't like
So
some
true.
things the
Yeah.
way they are.
Yeah.
So communicating that is very important, and also your partner should understand that what is the place that is coming from. So
Yeah.
that
I
that is what
absolutely.
I'm constantly doing, that trying to change my mindset around things, that how
Mm,
is it in a good way helping me or benefiting me. So to say, honestly, right now
the
I'm not
change. Mm,
completely
mm,
settled over here. I don't feel
mm,
settled. I'm still in
mm.
that process.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Talking about language, I'm still in the process. Sometimes there are days when I feel that, okay, I just don't want to learn this language because
Correct.
it's not that it's not a very good feeling when you speak in another language, like when
Yeah.
things are not familiar. But then there are days when I feel that if I learn that language, it will help me to better transact
Yes.
the outside world when I'm ordering
Yeah.
something, or where I'm working, or
I
when.
feel that there is more of acceptance also from those people. Like when we are in Pune and we speak in Marathi,
Yeah,
and we are talking to Marathi with the rickshawalas and the, kirana walas and all that. So, when we are speaking with them in Marathi, ते आपलंसं वाटतं. That is something where, that feeling comes up. Yeah. But so similarly for them also, when you start speaking in German language, they will also feel, that you are part of them.
yeah,
And for that, I think language is the
yeah,
big barrier which can come in between.
yes,
And so the way you are saying it, I'm just going to point out a few things for our audience, that everything is a journey, everywhere, the process, everything. So many a times it is the programming of the mind, that, oh, okay, now I have to do this, now I have to, because we program the day, right? In the morning we decide what we want to do and what time we put the time slots also with that. And then what is it that you are planning to do till 6 o'clock maybe? Yeah. And then after that, evenings are open. So we either go out, or we have dinner at home, or we prepare something. So everything is planned when we wake up in the morning, right?
correct,
Yeah.
So somewhere, if we also plan out how we want to give or make ourselves, kind of more compatible, or, to gel with the other person, rather than being a difficult person. And what you said earlier about the change, I have a very nice example where you go out for dinner, you go out for parties, you wear the best of best dresses, and you put on makeup, and you have the jewelry, and all the jing bang. The guys wear their suits and have the matching shoes and everything. The moment you come back, you change and you put on your pajamas.
Yes.
Yeah. And that is when you feel comfortable,
Right.
because that is what we basically are. And I think, just referring to the lockdowns and the pandemic here, I think pandemic taught us that
Yeah.
that money and the luxuries of life, instead of that, when you go down to the grassroots level of okay, you have the basics of life, that makes you absolutely comfortable. So for all the people who are working online, work from home criteria, I mean, you just have to put on a nice t-shirt. You can
Yeah.
wear shorts below that.
Yeah.
Isn't it? And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And I feel life has, changed, or the pandemic has. This is the biggest lesson that probably the pandemic has given us, that it does not matter. It matters about what is the output. What is it that you give out in
Yeah.
the society? What is it that you give out to people? And I feel I mean, both of you are in such a nice space that कहते हैं ना कि हाँ नजर ना लगे, that kind of stuff. And literally, I mean, I am really, really feeling so happy that because there were so many people who had come to me pre-marriage counseling for pre-marriage counseling and asking me. And the first time, the concept was like very funny for me. I mean, like I'd shared it with you, Aditi, that time.
Yeah.
That, I mean, pre-marriage counseling, I mean, I can understand marriage counseling, but or post-marriage, where to avoid going into divorces and all that. But pre-marriage counseling, so I said okay, and somebody is asking me that. So there are a couple of them who were asking me, and then actually we came up with that, and Aditi was very proactive about it. She said, no, ma'am, I think both of us are okay, and you spoke to Raj. And so I think that was one of the, so I think this step also is very important. So for people to understand each other, so it is not about just knowing each other's habits, that okay, what is it that you like, and okay, you prefer tea or coffee, or khana kya hai, veg hai, non-veg hai. It's something beyond that. It's beyond. Sometimes I feel that in marriages, I mean, even I mean, mine is I mean, we are 31 years into a married life, and sometimes it does happen that it's very difficult to predict.
Yeah.
But then I don't predict. Sometimes I know that okay, in certain cases he may or may not say yes. It is a known.
Yeah.
When it is a known, it becomes acceptable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Unknowns are still not acceptable. So sometimes the unknowns are there in the, on the fence, is something which you need to be aware of, that there are certain things. Because if you are not facing a particular situation, how will you know that how is this person going to respond or react to it, is
Right.
also a, a thing that every single person needs to. And this has been human. This has
Yeah.
just been human. Yeah. So going down, how many, after let's say 2 years or 3 years, just I know that I've taken up a lot of your time, I think, and this is a working day also. So where do you see yourself in, let's say 3 years time, Raj? Because you have been there in Germany. Uh, any opportunities or whatever? I mean, I don't want you to share any of them right now if you don't want to. But point is that so now she's talking about settling, or she's still settling. So it's
Yeah.
like 7 months is like Saptapadi, na? So you're
Yeah.
still there. So you have to still complete that. So wait for 1 year, and so she's settling there. So any thoughts on that? That whether because 2 years, 3 years, she settles down, and then you have an opportunity, and then you have to go somewhere. Is something. It can be a better opportunity. It can be something new, and so I'm just throwing out whatever I know,
Yeah.
because opportunities do come in, and at your age and your stage of your career, I think you are absolutely open, and you are so capable of getting so many new opportunities.
Yeah.
So how would you, or if it comes, have you given it a thought, and what are your feelings on that?
I mean, for me, for, for me, those are two questions. One is settling into our personal life,
Mm-hmm.
and one is how to progress in my professional life.
Right.
and the one or the other would have impacts on both of them.
Correct.
So
Correct. Yeah.
it would not just be that professionally, if I get a new opportunity, I would grab it, but not just
Yeah.
not looking at on my personal life.
Yeah.
That would be unfair on my personal life, but also the other way around. If personally there is something and which would be unfair on my professional life, it
Right.
would again be something
Yeah.
which we would have to, of course, discuss and see
Mhm.
where it takes us. But if we have thought of 3 years down the lane where we would be, I would say we are not restricting ourselves to one
Okay.
particular
Wonderful.
location or one particular job or
Yeah.
something like that. But
Great.
what we have, or what I have learned in the past, and what she is also showing it,
Yeah.
that we are both being open to change, and
Wonderful.
we are both um, we are both open to new
Right.
opportunities,
So
new
whatever comes your way,
whatever
basically,
comes our way.
a new opportunity comes.
Right,
Is
right.
Does that apply to both of you?
Yeah. So
Uh,
as I want to point out here that when we are talking about opportunities,
mm,
a relationship is also an opportunity. Like a lot of times we go into our egos and then blame each
yeah.
other.
Yeah.
That, "Okay, my
Absolutely.
career is also as important as yours. Then why can't you
Correct.
achieve?"
Correct. Yeah.
All of that. So we have to keep our egos aside and understand that both of you all are in the relationship because both of you want it.
Yeah.
It's not a one
Absolutely.
person job. It's from both the ways. And so both of you all have to be uh, empathetic with each other and also compassionate to each other. That if one is earning, then that doesn't mean that only that person has, the respect or whatever, self respect, or because a lot
Yeah.
of times it happens that when people or girls especially move out and they are not working, they kind of start having these self doubts about themselves. So
Yes.
you have to, both of you all have to understand that you are in this situation because you also want it.
Correct.
You are in this relationship because you also want to be with that
Mm,
person. So
mm,
it's not that because of him you're sitting at home, or the other way around, that it's not
correct.
because of her that she's not working or whatever it is. It's just that understand each other and be empathetic and be respectful,
Yeah.
and do not start a blame game just on the basis of ego, or don't go in that ego trip
I think
that
that will spoil the whole
The whole
yeah,
relationship.
relationship.
you
Yeah.
have to just look at the fact that it's a relationship that both of you all are living in.
Correct. Correct.
Career and practical things also matter, but you have to be basic human to each other first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After like before being a husband or a wife, you just
Yeah.
have to
Yeah.
be good friends
Totally.
and good
Absolutely.
human beings to each other, and then you can look at things in an open way. So
Yeah.
if he wants to move around and explore everything, then I am right now. So this is my personal thought process that is going on, that I can look for a job which can allow me to work from home. So no
Mm.
matter wherever I go, I can continue my work,
Yeah.
and it also has to do something which I relate to, so which I
Mm.
resonate with. So it doesn't
Correct.
have to be specifically what I was doing in the past or what
Yeah.
I'm educated to do. It can be also
Mm.
something
Something new.
completely.
So you're open for that
uh,
also.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is
Okay.
how
Great.
we have kept things open. Both of us are
Mm.
not people who have this full planned, planned out that after 3 years I want to
Yeah.
earn this much, after 5 years I want
A
to
vision board coming up
have
and
this
saying that,
this
yeah.
this created. So both of us are very open in that sense that let's see what comes our way, and if it is nice,
I
then why
think
not?
both of you are open, but still have an outline
Yeah,
sketched
yeah,
out, you know.
It's not
Sometimes,
right.
yeah.
It's not that
Some,
we are not we do not have ambitions in our
correct.
professional life
correct. Yeah.
or
No,
personal
for
life.
my audience, I need to specify that it is
Yeah.
not that, okay, just say whatever happens,
Huh.
anything comes
Not
and no,
like
it's
that if
not
we
that
just
way.
move around.
Yeah.
It's like you are not even putting anything into the box, but
Yes.
you're also open ki, okay, the ceiling is, open.
Way
You
to
are putting
way
yourself in
to
a space where there are responsibilities, limitations.
Yeah.
And I think both of you are in that win-win situation, that whichever way it comes in. And I feel that both of you are highly mature. And I think, Aditi, I need to, really, really appreciate the way you have gone from being, kind of highly vulnerable to a very grounded and a very mature,
Yeah.
responsible woman, if I can say. So I feel very proud that you are sitting there and doing this along with Raj, supporting him, because I believe that both are same. Man and woman both are actually the same. You need to, like the way you deal with your bosses in the company. It is not that your wife is your boss, but it is the same pattern of adjustments that need to be done. Like you said, ego. So you also have your egos with your bosses, but you don't show them. You adjust and you succumb to the responsibilities or what has been told to you. So sometimes doing that, but then there are also the outcomes of that. So you have promotions and you have pay raises and all that. So that also comes with these kind of things. So similarly in personal relationships also, it goes hand in hand, that there are times when your wife can be very difficult to deal with. I mean, she's very adamant and all. I feel just listening to her, just being there for her. And I think for me, my biggest learning has been that do not or avoid taking decisions when you are angry,
Mm-hmm.
and avoid taking decisions when you are very low,
Yeah.
very, very emotionally down. And after a fight, or okay, I'm going to leave, I'm going to go there, I'm going to do this. Don't take such decisions in your emotional turmoil at all. Let it pass by, because you see a very different picture after that. So I feel that I'm highly, highly uh, satisfied, happy, proud that both of you, I mean, probably my first couple who have, from a pre-marriage counseling, are, proper married couple there, and also not even here, sitting in Germany, enjoying each other's company. I feel that is a very beautiful thing that both of you are sharing. So, any parting notes that both of you want to say to my audience? Because this is not only Pune, but this is also about. It is going to go on live. So somewhere people will want to know about how you as a couple look at pre-marriage counseling, or even taking a guidance from anyone individually also. So your views on that.
Yeah. Start because just speaking out of a man's perspective,
Yeah.
I think it is time that each and every man, I would say,
Yeah.
irrespective of how he is, so
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
not targeting any one specific guy, um, it is it is it shows courage, and it shows that you are brave enough to support a woman in all
Yeah.
of her emotional situations, emotional
Yeah.
turmoils,
Mm-hmm.
and there is no feeling of going down or low or something of that sort.
Right.
If you are seeking counseling, or if you are seeking professional help,
Yeah.
I would help professional
Yeah. You can say guidance also. Yeah.
guidance. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
this is something that I think everyone should accept.
Mm.
That moving on into this into moving from this life phase of a boy to a man.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
This is also important because we often, of course, in India we have a huge social network
Yes.
where you have interactions with other guys, I would say,
Yeah. Yeah.
about all of these topics. But the discussions that you have with your boys group or your men group,
Yeah.
they are not the same as that you would have with a girlfriend of yours.
Girls. Correct. Correct.
So
So
those are
true.
different things.
Two
And
different things. Yeah.
having and what I have also seen, so of course I also have had these discussions with my friends,
Correct.
and it is so you are तुम्ही छोटेपणा किंवा लहान म्हणतो ना आपण की
बरोबर.
it is not that you are entering into, so it is
Correct.
just that you are showing a more mature side of yourself, uh,
Correct.
in having these discussions with
Yeah.
with a professional counselor.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is really something that is ते कुठेतरी छोट्या याच्यामध्ये मेंदूमध्ये
Right.
असं आहे
मेंदूमध्ये.
की अरे केलं पाहिजे की नाही, so should we do it or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
And I would say you should definitely do it. It is you also get to learn a lot about yourself.
Yeah.
And you are also being your authentic self when entering into this new phase of
That
life.
is, that is very important.
Yeah.
That you are your authentic self. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I would say that is one
Yeah.
thing that I would really encourage all other guys to do.
Yes.
I
Yes,
think
sir.
yeah, as you said that not just guys, but I think everybody should be more open to consult or take this guidance before you are entering into a very important phase of your life. And talking to somebody who's your relative, who's your friend, is, I don't think, is enough, because they will look you from a specific lens or the way they know you. So when you go to somebody who's a third person altogether, or who's neutral to both of you all, he'll give you honest opinions about what the reality is. So today you might feel that the relationship is going very good, both of us are so attracted to each other, so happy with each other, but there could be some surprises over a
Correct.
period of time which you might
Correct.
not be able to deal with. So to know, like, to have at least some idea of it, I'm not saying that it is a guaranteed or 100% successful way to ensure a very happy relationship, but at least
Yeah.
you get some guidance which you may not get if you are just thinking it in your head or just talking to your set of people.
Correct.
So
Correct.
that is very insightful when you go into this process and you understand the other points which you were not aware of. And counseling and therapy is in general something that I encourage people with, that it's nothing to feel ashamed about, or it is nothing which is going to demean you, or something which is embarrassing, or whatever
Yeah.
people think.
Yeah.
That is the social
Yeah.
stigma kind of a thing. Yeah, that is what is coming up. But I think it is changing, and I feel a lot of people are opening up also.
Yes.
And it is just about sharing about it, that, oh, okay, I'm going for therapy, is something which people are very reluctant to say.
Yeah.
Because then people ask a number of questions, and that is very difficult. But I think that will also change, because when I started, there was a completely different viewpoint to this, and now it has changed a lot. So I feel that the guidance and the counseling and third person perspective is very, very important. Yeah.
Yes.
So great. Thank you so much, both of you. And it was quite a short notice that we did this, because I wanted to do it during this marriage season and all, because that's the time when people require these kind of advice.
Yeah.
And who else could I ask but both of you to be with me and have this show, I can say.
Yes.
And I hope it helps people.
Yeah.
And let's see how it goes when it will go live. And so friends, thank you so much. And we will be putting this up and into parts, maybe, probably, because it will be quite a big one. But let's see. I hope it helps all of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So signing off, Shruti from Solace, and see you soon whenever you all come down to India, rather than seeing you like this. Okay. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.